Hi, first grade. Our read aloud today looks a little bit different because I'm going to read with you this very special book. And it's called This School Year Was Different. And it was. This school year was very different than what we're used to and what we've ever done before ever. So I'm going to read this story to you. It's called This School Year Was Different. This school year has been different from other school years. It started out just like any other school year. You met your teacher, you came to class, you played with your friends, you learned. But then, all of a sudden, things changed. Schools around the world started to close. They closed to help keep people healthy. It's really important because we really care about you and we want you to be safe and healthy. And the best way to do that is to stay at home. And then you weren't going to school anymore. You were staying at home or spending time somewhere else. It was a big, big change. Maybe you felt sad about not going to school. Maybe you felt angry or confused. Maybe you even felt a little bit happy. However you felt, and however you feel now, it's okay to feel that way. It really is. School wasn't open, but you kept learning at home. Maybe you got to watch videos or do special learning activities. We did. Maybe you got to have a lot of playtime. You weren't at school, but you were still learning. Maybe you get to see some of your other kids. Maybe you got to see some of the other kids in your class. Or maybe you didn't see them at all. You weren't at school and you couldn't play together, but you were still a class. You're right, we are still a first grade class. Maybe you got to see your teacher in videos. Or maybe you didn't get to see your teacher at all. You weren't at school and you couldn't give your teacher a hug or a high five, but they were still your teacher, and your teacher thinks about you every single day. I also pray for you every single day when I come to school. I pray at each of your desks that you would have a good day of learning. I miss giving you a hug at the end of the day, too. No matter where you are, your school is still your school. Your class is still your class. Your friends are still your friends. And your teacher is still your teacher. This school year has been very different, but you have done a fantastic job, and you should be very proud of that. The end. I am so proud of you, and I love you very much.